In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ungroup emails in Microsoft Outlook. 5 minutes. If your inbox stacks messages into a single conversation thread and you'd rather see each message on its own line, you're in the right place. We'll switch Outlook from grouped conversations to a simple individual message list. This works great if you triage email one by one or if you need to spot the newest reply at a glance. First, open Outlook and head to your inbox. You can do this in the desktop app on Windows or Mac, or in the version that opens from your browser. Make sure you're looking at the folder you want to change, like Inbox or Sent Items. Next, look along the top for the View controls. In the desktop app, that's the View tab on the ribbon. Click it to reveal layout and sorting options. If your Outlook window is narrow, some options may be tucked under a More menu. Expanding the window helps surface everything. Within View, locate Conversation. Depending on your build of Outlook, it may appear as Conversation Settings or Show as Conversations. Click Conversation to open its options. We're heading for the settings that control how messages appear in the list. Now open message lists from that same area. This is where Outlook defines how the list arranges messages. You'll see choices that relate to grouping. Choose Do Not Group Messages. The instant you select this, Outlook stops bundling related emails together. Each email will appear as its own entry in the list, organized by your current sort, typically by date with the newest on top. If Outlook asks whether to apply this just to the current folder or to all mailboxes, pick what fits your workflow. Applying it to all mailboxes keeps things consistent everywhere. Applying it to just one folder lets you keep conversations grouped elsewhere. Take a second to scan your inbox. You should now see each message standing on its own with no collapsed threads. Searching, sorting and filtering all continue to work the same, but you'll navigate messages individually rather than inside stacks. If you ever want to go back to grouped conversations, return to View, open Conversation, revisit message lists, and switch the setting back to group messages, it's completely reversible. That's it, you've ungrouped your emails in Outlook so you can manage them one by one with less scrolling and fewer hidden replies. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.